Hello friends, welcome back to Is My Production. Today I am here to tell you how to define extra charges and terms and conditions for sales order and purchase orders. Choose facility that will warehouse raw material. Inventory, masters, extra charges. Now here you will find a list of charges already created. Add extra charges. Suppose inflation, amount can be fixed for percentage, suppose percentage, add, status, active, submit. Now we will learn how to define terms and conditions for sale order and purchase orders. To define terms and conditions, go to settings, general settings, terms and conditions. Here you will see a list in which you have to find sales order and define term and condition here as you require. For purchase order, select purchase order and define term and condition here. It's done. Thank you.